Today, we're going to tackle an issue that many Instagram users face: Instagram highlights not working. If you're unable to add stories to your highlights or your highlights aren't showing up, stay tuned because we've got this fix for you. First, let's try clearing the cache of the Instagram. This can help resolve minor glitches. On your Android device, go to Settings, then Apps, and find Instagram and tap on it, then select Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Cache. This won't delete any of your data, it just temporarily clear the files. For iPhone users, unfortunately, there is no direct way to clear the cache. Instead, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Make sure you know your login details before doing this. Next, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. An outdated app can cause various issues. Open App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if there's an update available, simply tap on it. Another common reason for highlights not showing up or working is a poor internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. So to know that, open your web browser and try loading a page to see if your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes simply logging out and logging back into Instagram can fix the issue. Go to your Instagram profile, scroll down until you find logout and click on logout, and simply clear the Instagram app and again log in it. If none of these solutions work, there might be an issue with the account status. Sometimes Instagram may temporarily restrict certain features. Visit the Instagram Help Center and check if there are any notices about your account. You can also report the issue to Instagram. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions worked for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might find it useful.